guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Taz. On this channel, I'm going to be focusing on beauty, lifestyle, and pretty much anything that I feel like. I definitely have a lot of videos planned for the future. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Anyways, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this makeup look. It's very fall, neutral, warm colors. Everything that I love, and I'm sure that most of you love as well. Very natural, wearable. You can wear it anywhere from, I don't know, going out to eat, very casual, to even Thanksgiving dinner would be perfect for this makeup look. Actually, if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to be using the Makeup Milk Hydro Grip Primer. After I use the primer, I'm going to use the Lancome foundation. This is in the shade 410 Bisque W. So I'm going to use some of this. This might be a little too light for me, but if it is, I'll just mix it in with another foundation. It is like kind of a little light for me, so I'm gonna use the Rare Beauty in 360W and just kind of, oh, I forgot to shake this. So I'm just gonna put it that. Camera, I think I look a little washed out, but in person the color match is actually not that bad. I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and it's in the shade Warm Sand. What I do with this is I put it on my top lids because I have pretty dark eyelids, and I like to just kind of make it one skin tone to match the rest of my skin. And I'm just gonna blend it out with my finger. I like to have like a light and bright under eye. I'm gonna go in with my Hourglass concealer. This is in the shade Beech. I used to just pile on the concealer because I do like me some concealer, but now what I do is I just put some here like that, and then I put it in the inner corner as well like this. I like to go in back with my concealer that I use for my top lid and just put it here in the center, because I feel like, yes, I do want a brightening eye, but you know, I also don't want it to be so harsh at the same time. I like to just blend my concealer in with my finger actually. So I kind of just let it sit there, even though I didn't fully like blend it out with my brush and everything. At this point, what I like to do is go in and do my eyebrows. I'll be using the Anastasia Ebony Dip Brow Pomade. I don't do too much with my eyebrows. I just kind of fill in the part here where my eyebrow for some reason just doesn't grow. Then I like to go in
a few moments later.
and I like to go in with my NARS concealer. This is the Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Ginger. Fun fact, I hate this concealer for under my actual eyes, but under my eyebrows I really like it. So I just like to go in and just clean my eyebrow out with this. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out with my sponge. I'm gonna use my Milk Kush Fiber Brow Gel in the shade Diesel. Oh, oops.
And
my eyebrows are not done right now, so they're not looking its best. Maybe on camera it does, but in person, not really. Now that I finished my eyebrows, I'm actually just gonna go in with the rest of my face products. Using the Rare Beauty blush in the shade Love. I've heard a lot of good things about this blush, so I'm excited to try it. Heard a little goes a long way with this, so we'll try it out. I really do my makeup out of order, but if I don't do it like this, it doesn't come out good. I'm gonna take the matchstick and just put it here, and here, and here. I don't really like to nose contour, mostly because I don't know how to. Don't really like putting it here. I don't know why. I used to do it, but I just stopped for some reason. I'm just gonna blend it out. I think I'm gonna bring you guys a little closer for when I do my eyes. So I'm gonna finally blend out this concealer. I like to set my eyes. My favorite powder is the Too Faced Peach powder in translucent. Don't really bake. I kind of just take the powder. First I make sure there's no creases. I just put it so that it sets my concealer. This Revolution palette. It's the Reloaded Neutrals 2. I'm gonna use this whitish shade right here. I'm just gonna put it all over the lid. I'm gonna go in with the color next to it, so right here. And I'm just gonna put it into my crease. I'm gonna go in with this darker color here. Put it like in this corner right here and just kind of pack it on right there. I'm gonna go in kind of a V shape, so like here and here. in with this lighter color here, and I'm just gonna put that color right here. Kind of want to match my blush a little bit, so I'm gonna go in a little bit with this color. Go in with this orange color here. Go in actually with this color here. I do kind of want to go in with a winged eyeliner, but I don't want it to be black. So I'm going to use this Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in dark brown. Just applying mascara right now. I'm using the Estee Lauder Extreme Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara. I already did one eye, or I'm finishing up one eye. If you put on mascara and you don't have an ugly face, who are you? I forgot to do this, but I'm gonna go in with this eyeshadow. Kind of want to put more blush on. I don't think it's enough blush. Go back in with the Rare Beauty blush. That might be too much. I might have overdid it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He up.
So I'm gonna go in with my all over face powder with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish in the color Tan. I'm just gonna put it around where I put the blush. I'm not super big on highlighter, but I am gonna put some on my nose. So I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. highlighter. This is so old. It's in the color Glow. I'm just gonna apply some here. And also some here under my eyebrow. I'm gonna use my setting spray. I use the Patrick Ta Major Glow Dewy Milk Mist. I'm gonna use this and hopefully some of that blush blends a little better. It smells so good. I'm gonna go in with my favorite lip liner. It's this small now because I kept trying to sharpen it and it wasn't working. But it's the Charlotte Tilbury in the Pillow Talk 3 Intense. I'm just gonna line my lips. I'm gonna go in with my Natasha Denona lipstick. This is in the shade, well, is that the shade? I Need a Nude, Andrea. This is my first time using this, but it's such a pretty color. why my camera's turning off, but I need to get it together. But I went ahead and used the lipstick off camera, I guess, because my camera decided to turn off. And I really liked the way that the lip came out. I think that's it for this makeup look. I think I'm just gonna do my hair real quick and then I'll come right back to show you guys the final look. This is the final look of the makeup. I really like the way that it came out. Just, you know, a really matte and nudish, easy look. Definitely make sure to subscribe to this channel if you want to watch more videos this week. Thank you guys so much for watching my video and see you guys next time.